Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. What we've got tonight, we're going to try to repair this Panasonic TV remote. The batteries are in. The batteries do work. I've tested the batteries, and when you press what button, you see this, that's in through a camera lens. You'd see that flashing, you'd see it as a flashing image, but when I press, there's no flashing, any button. There you go. Now this was sent to me for repair by a YouTube couple. So a shout out to the Pokey Pookies. So yeah, lovely man and wife team on YouTube. If you're into your Pokemon, go check them out, subscribe. You'll have a laugh. Yeah, well worth watching. So yeah, they've given me this for repair. Basically, they've said it got, I think he said it got dropped, so it's from a bit of a height onto a hard surface, so I'm expecting to find an open circuit, but we'll take it apart and we'll test it. So I'll just set this camera up so that it's in a better, my makeshift bench. There you go, I think we can all see. Right, let's take it apart. Let's get these batteries out. There we go. We've got some small screws in here. I've repaired TV remotes in the past, and 9 times out of 10 it's an open circuit because it's been dropped, or there should be a small capacitor in here, which I will test because sometimes they go on them and I have to replace it. I have got quite a few capacitors, so nice wide range, some small ones, some absolutely massive ones. But so yeah, this is a snap together. Yeah, so what we do is gently lever it in certain areas. There you go. Alright, it's nice and clean inside. Yeah. So it's not been wet, there's no water damage. Take the board out, move this out of the way, and there, guys, there's your touch pads. So your touch pads, there, you see that chip, and just up here you've got your small, turn that over, you'll see the capacitor, just there. Right, first we'll test the capacitor. Let's see what that's telling us. So the value of the capacitor is, it's 10 volts and it's 47, no, that's 50, God, I'm going blind. Right, 57 microfarads. So on test it can read anywhere between 50 and 60, because they do give a little bit. You're never going to get them spot on. So set this over. That's why the thing I like about this meter is I can actually test capacitors. So let's have a look. See what this one's reading. Make sure we get the clarity right, but positive and negative. Right, so positive is that side. So what we're going to do, connect that. Right, this is reading. That is reading. Let me get this a bit more stable. .2 microfarads. There you go. That's good. There's nothing wrong with that. That's about right. So we can rule out the capacitor. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to test to make sure that the sender is sending. So if we go across here again, I need positive and negative. So we'll go across there. Make sure I've got this. Yeah, that's fine. That's working. Just want to get that on there. If you can see that. There it is. Right, so now what we'll do a test for open circuit. I just want to do a visual check, make sure there's no cracks in the board or. Alright, we've got. So I'll go from there because I can pick up the battery contacts up to there. Let's have a look. So what we'll do is just take a scrape, take away some of the board resist. You can see there, as you can see, and can't really see much, but let's have a look. And we're coming up here. And if I've got continuity, you hear that? Right. So what we've got from here to there. Alright, so we've got an open circuit. We have an open circuit, folks. So, let's have a look. Yeah, there's. You're not going to be able to see this properly on. There is a crack in the board. That's so this landed on. I just want to. That's something. Right, yeah, it looks like there's a break in. There's a break in one of the circuit. So let's go from there to there. Yeah, that's an open circuit. Right there. So what we're going to do, I'm going to put a splash of solder across it, and hopefully that's killed it. So I'll get that so that. Right. Let's see if we get that to stand a little bit better. There you go. Alright. I've had this iron for some years now, it's done well. Never had a problem with it. Yeah. I bet I've had this iron for, oh God, it must be going on for 20 years. It's got to be. So anyway, let's solder this circuit. There you go. And off. Let's just have a visual check. Yeah, that's nice. See a nice blob of solder across just there. So now, yeah, right. So let's go back to continuity. And what we're going to go, because right, so I should get a test from here to there, because that's where the circuit begins. So we'll go from there. Get it steady. Steady it up. There you go. We've got continuity now, which we didn't have before, so what we're going to do is move that out of the way, and we're going to put this back in its case. So let's sit at level, which is this. So this touchpad is fine. Alright. This should snap. There you go. Snap back together. Right, before I put the screws in, I'll connect the batteries. I just want to make sure the buttons are nice and free. There they are. Yeah, that's fine. Alright. Now we should be able to get, just set that camera. Let's get these in. No, I've not put that in right. Set that in. It goes in a certain. You've got to get that in there. That gets pushed. Yeah, they sit in a certain slot. So I've got to get that. Send the unit in first. Is that bent? Yeah, it's bent. I just want to bend that back a touch. Right, I think that's it. Yeah. Looks like it. Yeah, let's see. Alright, so try again. Let's make sure this pad's settled. Snapped in together. The buttons are free. Always check that your buttons, you ain't got one trapped. Yeah, that's better, that's better. Put these batteries in. Yeah. Alright, let's check it. There you go, see it flashing? Well, it's flashing, that's working. And that's how you test your remote. So if your batteries are dead and you're not sure, put your camera on, mobile, any camera, point that at the lens, and if it works it'll flash. That's working, that's done. Alright, I'll put the screws back. I'll leave the job off finished. But yeah, yeah, normally you drop them and you can end up with breaking the circuit. I have had the odd one where I've had to change the capacitor. It's quite rare. That's usually if sometimes obviously the battery's in, so there's a current running through, and then you spill your coffee on it or whatever, and you can damage the capacitor. The worst thing you can damage is that chip, because chances are you're not going to have a spare one. So yeah, on this occasion was lucky. It was an open circuit, so now the Pokey Pookies have got their remote back for their TV, and I'll put this video out tonight and let them know that their remote is now working. Obviously I can't test it on a TV because it won't work my TV, but the test is the fact that you press it, it's flashing, and it stops flashing when you release. There you go. Any button, no matter what button. There you go. Right, so that is it, guys. That's the Panasonic remote fixed. Yeah. So yeah, if you've got a spare 5-10 minutes, go on YouTube, check out the Pokey Pookies channel, and I think you'll enjoy it. It's not just about opening the cards, you'll have a laugh. They're a lovely husband and wife team. They're new, quite new to YouTube, same as me. I'm new, but I think I've been in here for about 3 weeks. They've been a bit longer than me, but yeah, well worth checking out. So that's not bad. It's took me 17 minutes to repair the Panasonic TV remote. I think that's pretty good. I've had it where I've had to change that capacitor because that's been knackered, but yeah. So yeah, if you test, I mean, obviously you don't want a big difference in when you're testing for your microfarads or your nanofarads or whatever farads you're going to test it, but yeah, if you're around about the right ball, it's fine. There's not a lot of current here, 3 volts. To what, I don't know, what volts are these batteries? 1.5 volt each, I believe. Never really paid much attention to the batteries. I don't really like batteries. Normally I get something that takes batteries. I'd wire it up to a transformer and run it off the mains. But obviously you can't do that with these because you want to be able to move it around. But anyway, guys, that's enough of me rambling on. So yeah, yeah, that's it. I'm going to tidy up now, put everything away, and join me for the next one. Bye for now. Bye.